guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a foundation review video, and today I am testing out the No7 Intelligent Colour Foundation. So this is brand new to me. I've never tried this before. This is a foundation apparently that adapts to your skin tone. So it says seamlessly adapts to skin tone. It's intelligent colour and it has sheer coverage. So this is in the shade Fair. So it does come in like sort of shade ranges. I think there's fair, light, medium, dark, etc. And when you put it on, it is supposed to adapt to your foundation. So it's not white, like you can get those white foundations that adapt to your skin tone. This does have a colour, a fair colour, which then is supposed to adapt to your skin tone. Now, I am very apprehensive about this because I've seen the colour on this foundation just by squeezing it through the tube, and it looks pretty dark. Now, I am super pale, like I am the palest shade in every single foundation. So I am nervous to see if it will adapt to the right colour. Who knows? We'll have to wait and see. But I do like No7 foundations. It is a brand that I do like. So it says, enhance your natural beauty with our colour adapting colour adjust technology that adjusts to magically match the colour of your skin. Lightweight buildable coverage formula melts seamlessly into the skin, matching the tone to blur and conceal imperfections. Streak-free, velvety, soft and more even looking complexion. So yeah, let's just get started. So first of all, I'm going in with an SPF moisturiser. This is the Olay Total Effects 7-in-1 Featherweight Moisturiser. It has SPF in it, and I'm using my e.l.f. small stipple brush to apply it. Now I'm going in with a mattifying primer. This is the 17 Matte Base Perfection Oil Control Primer on the same brush. Okay, so let's go in with the foundation. So like I said, it's in the shade Fair, and I'm going to be going in with my Real Techniques Miracle Complexion Sponge to apply it. So the consistency is sort of like thick, I would say, and it's like foamy, sort of, but thick foamy. So, oh yeah, it's like a foam. So, we'll see. Definitely adapts to my skin tone, so that's good. Okay, so this is super matte, so I have really dry skin, so I am worried that this is going to dry my skin out. It does say it's sheer coverage, and it definitely is sheer coverage, but it is definitely a matte foundation. So I would probably say that it's one of the lightest, sheerest coverage foundations that I've ever used. You know, even with a skin tint, I think I've had more coverage than this. So it's very, very sheer. However, I'm going to leave it at one coat because I think if I add another coat, it's going to be way too dry in on my skin. So I'm going to leave it at that, I think. So I'm going to finish up the rest of my makeup now off camera, and then I'll come back with my final thoughts. Okay, so I have my full face of makeup on now, and we are looking a lot better. Adding the concealer and the powder and things like that just does add so much more coverage. So it looks less sheer now. It looks like a natural, sort of like a skin tint, tinted moisturizer type foundation. It is very matte. I put a very little amount of powder on, and then I did a dewy setting spray because I have dry skin, and it is very matte. So I am a bit worried about how my skin is going to be throughout the day. However, in my T-zone, I do become quite oily, so maybe it will look better throughout the day. Who knows? So far, I like it. I don't dislike it. I think it's really cool. I think it's really clever that it adapts to your skin colour. It completely did. It's a nice foamy, moussey type consistency as well, which I also really liked. But yeah, it is very matte. So if you have super oily skin, I think this would be perfect for you. I'm excited to see how it lasts throughout the day though on my skin. I have sort of dry / combination skin. So yeah, I'm liking the way it's looking. First impression is thumbs up so far. So like normal with my foundation reviews, I'll keep it on for 2 hours, then 6 hours, then 8 hours of wear throughout the day, and I will check in and film for you guys at those points throughout the day to let you know my thoughts and how it's looking and how it's feeling. So far so good. So I'll see you in 2 hours time and we'll see how it's looking then. So see you then. Okay guys, so it's been 2 hours now wearing the foundation, and honestly I can't see any difference. It's exactly the same as how it was 2 hours ago. So that's good. So I'm going to leave it on another 4 hours now, which will be 6 hours since I first applied it, and we'll see how it's looking then. So I'll see you then. Hey guys, so it's been 6 hours now wearing the foundation, and I just checked in the mirror and we are looking good. Obviously, like I said, some of my natural oils are starting to come through, so we are looking a lot better, a lot less matte. It looks a very healthy, natural foundation now, and I actually really, really love it. Whilst the coverage is really sheer, I still do like the foundation. And it hasn't gone cakey or dry or anything, so I'm shocked because I thought a matte foundation would have done that, but it hasn't, so that's really good. So I'm going to leave it on another 2 hours time now, which will have been 8 hours since I first applied it, and we'll see how it's looking then. So I'll see you then. Hey guys, so it's the final check-in. It's been 8 hours now since I first put on the foundation. Honestly, we're still looking good. I'm just about to go out as well, and the foundation just looks as good as it did when I first applied, if not better, because my natural oils are coming through. So yeah, I'm very impressed. This foundation gets a big thumbs up from me. Okay, so that completes this video. This is my review of the No. 7 Intelligent Colour foundation. I hope that you liked it and I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already so you can see all my other videos. And thank you so much for watching guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!